Welcome to this tutorial on collection sorting in Kotlin. Sorting is one of the most common operations you'll perform on collections. Kotlin provides three powerful methods to sort your data: sorted, sortedBy, and sortedWith. Each method serves a specific purpose, and choosing the right one depends on your sorting requirements. Let's explore how each of these methods works and when to use them. The sorted function is the simplest way to sort a collection. It returns a new list sorted in natural order. Natural order means numbers go from smallest to largest, and strings are arranged alphabetically. Here's an example. We have a list of numbers 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. When we call the sorted function on this list, it returns a new list with the elements arranged in ascending order: 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 9. The original list remains unchanged because sorted creates a new list. The sorted function works equally well with strings. When you sort a list of strings, they get arranged in lexicographic order, which is essentially alphabetical order. For instance, if we have a list containing Zara, Alice, and Bob, calling sorted on this list returns a new list with Alice, Bob, and Zara. The sorting is case-sensitive, so uppercase letters come before lowercase letters in the sorted result. Sometimes you need to sort objects based on a specific property rather than the object itself. That's where sortedBy comes in. It takes a selector function that specifies which property to use for sorting. Let's look at a person data class with name and age properties. If we have a list of person objects where Alice is 30 years old and Bob is 25, we can sort this list by age using sortedBy with a lambda that selects the age property. This returns a new list with Bob first because he's younger, followed by Alice. The sortedBy function isn't limited to object properties. You can sort by any computed value. A common example is sorting strings by their length. If we have a list of words, banana, pie, and apple, we can sort them by length using sortedBy with a lambda that accesses the length property. The result is pie first with 3 characters, then apple with 5 characters, and finally banana with 6 characters. This demonstrates how sortedBy provides flexibility in choosing your sorting criteria. For more advanced sorting scenarios, Kotlin provides the sortedWith function. This function accepts a comparator that defines custom comparison logic. The simplest comparator is compareBy, which works similarly to sortedBy but gives you more control. In this example, we're sorting numbers using compareBy with a lambda that returns the value itself. While this produces the same result as sorted, the real power of sortedWith becomes apparent when you need complex sorting rules. One of the most powerful features of sortedWith is multi-level sorting. Using compareBy, you can specify multiple properties to sort by. The sorting happens in the order you specify them. Looking at our person example again, suppose Bob and Alice are both 25 years old. We can sort first by age and then by name for people with the same age. We pass 2 lambdas to compareBy. The first selects age and the second selects name. This ensures that when ages are equal, the names determine the final order. So Alice comes before Bob because the names are sorted alphabetically when the ages match. Let's recap the 3 sorting methods. Use sorted when you need natural ordering for comparable types like numbers or strings. It's the simplest option and works great for basic sorting. Use sortedBy when you want to sort by a single property or computed value. It's perfect for sorting objects based on one characteristic. Finally, use sortedWith when you need custom comparators or multi-level sorting. It gives you complete control over the sorting logic. Remember, all 3 methods return a new sorted list without modifying the original collection. Choose the method that best fits your specific sorting needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.